సో వన్ డే ఒక చిన్న బాబును వాళ్ళ మదర్ ఫ్రెండ్స్ కలిసి అడవికి వెళ్ళారు. వెళ్తే వాళ్ళ బాబుని ఒక దగ్గర కూర్చోబెట్టి వాళ్ళు కట్లు కొట్టడానికి వెళ్ళారు. వెళ్తే వెళ్ళాక వాళ్ళు కొడుతుంటే వాళ్ళ బాబు పులి పులి అని అబద్ధాలు చెప్పాడు. వాళ్ళు కత్తెలు పట్టుకొని వస్తే పులి లేదు. మళ్ళీ వెళ్తే మళ్ళీ చాలానే అది మా అమ్మ పులి అన్నాడు. మళ్ళీ వెళ్ళారు, మళ్ళీ లేదు. మళ్ళీ అమ్మ పులి అంటే మళ్ళీ లేదు. నెక్స్ట్ టైం రియల్ గా వచ్చింది, తినేసి వెళ్ళింది సార్. నెక్స్ట్ వాళ్ళు వచ్చే వరకు మా బాబు లేడు.
ఎస్, బ్యూటిఫుల్ స్టోరీ, వండర్ఫుల్ స్టోరీ. నానా పులి వచ్చింది అని నాన్నని ఎక్కిరేస్తే పులి పిల్లోనే పట్టుకోపోయింది.
మదర్
Yes, mother. Okay, okay. You should not play jokes with mother also. Yes, we must respect. Yes, మనము తల్లిదండ్రులకి అబద్ధాలు చెప్పకూడదు. మనం తల్లిదండ్రులకి గౌరవించాలి, తల్లిదండ్రులను గౌరవించాలి. Yes, Manaswini, are you listening?
Yes, sir.
Yes, good. So we have to respect our parents. Moral of the story is we not tell lies to our parents at any cost. ఏ సమయంలోనైనా ఎంత పెద్ద తప్పు చేసినా గానీ మన తల్లిదండ్రులకి అబద్ధాలు చెప్పకూడదు. అబద్ధం చెప్తే వీరు చూసారు ఆ పిల్లోడే లేకుండా పోయాడు. ఓకే, బాగుంది, అమేజింగ్. రైట్. ఓకే, విల్ టేక్ వన్ మోర్. Okay, so more. That's the spirit of learning. You have to be competition with your friends. And first of all, while telling the story also, you feel like yourself as you are storytellers. Okay, feel like you are as means you have to feel yourself as professionals. Okay, for that storytelling also you will get money and you will get famous. Okay, fame. This storytelling also is one of the art. Okay, you have to learn. It is the best way of narrating the morals and ethical values for the public. Okay, yes. Now, yes, I will unmute. Wait a minute. Yes, M Hamsini, right? Unmute yourself. Yes, are you ready? Yes, go ahead.
Yes, sir. Once upon a time, there was a Mughal emperor, Akbar. In Akbar's court, there was a Birbal. Birbal was very intelligent. Once Akbar tested the Birbal. Akbar said to the Birbal, you tomorrow come with half sunlight and half without sunlight. Birbal said, okay. Tomorrow morning, the Birbal come with one quarter with holes. Akbar tell to Birbal, good Birbal, good. You are very intelligent, and give reward to Birbal 1,000 gold coins.
Okay. So why this? Okay, you tell the moral. You only tell the moral of the story.
Sad intelligence of Birbal.
Yes, this is the title of the story. Intelligence of the Birbal. Okay, could you tell me once again? Okay, wait a minute. I will ask these people also. 1 minute. How many of you understood the story? If yes, you show your thumb. Understood perfectly. Because of some stucking in this network there, that's why I think you didn't heard perfectly. How many of you understood perfectly? Okay, most of them didn't understood because this is the first time and in English story na. Okay, you tell me once again with somewhat slow. Okay, right.
Okay,
start. Okay, good.
Once upon a time, there was a Mughal emperor, Akbar. In Akbar's court, Birbal was very intelligent. Once Akbar tell to Birbal, I test you, Birbal. Tell, okay, my king, you test me. Tell Birbal to Akbar. Akbar said, tomorrow morning you come with half sunlight and half without sunlight. The Birbal tell, okay. The morning, Birbal come with a car with some holes. The in with some holes, the half sunlight is come. In with the thread without sunlight is come. The Akbar will tell good to Birbal and give a reward of 1,000 gold coins.
Okay, good. But I didn't got that. Birbal means first Birbal come to near Birbal come to Akbar. With what he will come? In some hole you told now. With what he will come to Birbal?
Sad cot means bed with some holes. Sad.
Okay.
In
Okay,
every
that.
years some bed came in early years. We sleep in that early years.
Okay, with bed he will come, huh? Tent,
Yes,
you are telling tent
like
or bed?
Nulaka Mancham.
Okay.
Nulaka Mancham tell us, sir.
Okay, that mancham we prepare in our old, in villages
Yes,
it will
sir.
be there. So with that he is to
Yes,
come,
sir.
and in that
Yes,
sunlight
sir.
will come, some shadow will come.
Some shadow will come, sir.
Okay, so Birbal proved that the sunlight of without sunlight.
Without sunlight. Yes, sir.
Good. So it's a very talented approach of Birbal. So we must think creatively. Yes. The moral of the story is we must think out of the box. We must take this task, this silly problems also as challenges. Okay. Right. Good story. Next, we'll take one more.
Shall I unmute?
Yes. Unmute yourself. Mute yourself. Mute. Next, who is ready? In English, who is ready to tell English story? Okay, right. Lakshmi Prasanna.
Okay, sir. The lions and the cows, sir. Story
Start.
name.
Go ahead.
Once
slowly.
upon a time, there was. Okay, sir. Once upon a time, there lived 4 cows in a forest. Every day they used to graze together in a particular spot. They were all friends, sir. One day, a lion saw the crows grazing together, sir. The lion wanted to eat them, so he watched to chat them. When the cows saw the lion, all of them fought with him. The lion had to run away. A few days passed, and the cow quarreled between themselves and started grazing separately. One by one, lion killed off all of them. Then the moral is unity is the strength.
Yes. Wonderful story. Actually, it's amazing. It's a wonderful story. So, what's the moral of the story? Moral of the story, she is telling that unity wins always. So, teamwork wins always. But without teamwork also, sometimes it will become weakness. See here, the lion, the king of the jungle, that lion also feared. That lion also became fear of 4 cows. Yes. 4 cows can kill the lion. They won't kill. Their cows are they are god. They are also cows. Lions also equal to the god. But 4 lions, the one lion can't face 4 cows. So it is trying to chat with them. But the lion feared of those cows. Then what happened? After sometimes that cows quarreled each other. So in our life also you will be friends for some days. And sometimes with some silly reasons you will quarrel with your friends. Okay, sometimes you will do, if you quarrel means, if you fight with your friends means, those before you done good things now, those all will be collapsed. Okay, they won't remember those all good things. They remember only that one bad thing. So that's why you should not harm your friends. You should not criticize your friends. You must be good with your friends always. Every time you must be peaceful and happy with your friends. Okay, the moral of the story is, if we quarrel each other, we will only become weak, and other people make us weak. Other people see like that only, other people make us weak. Yes. So at the end of the story, all the cows were dead. Yes,
sir.
now? Yes. The
Yes,
moral of the story is teamwork always wins. Okay, right. Next, who is ready? Yes. So now, yes, go ahead. First, you once read. I will. I will also help you. Meanwhile, also, you no need of feeling somewhat different or difficult. It's very easy. Okay, start. Go ahead. First of all, tell the lesson name. Okay, I didn't give unmute option. Okay, wait. Yes, unmute yourself first. Yes, good. Right. Start.
Let's
Read
start.
this. Yes, start.
There was a wait to.
This first read the lesson name. God is great and wonderful.
Chapter 3, God is great and wonderful. So
Yes,
this one
good.
also.
Yes.
Words
Words of
of
wisdom.
wisdom. God is great and God is nice. God makes us so happy and peace. God is there when we need Him. God takes care of everything. There was a great king called Canus. The people called him the Lord of the Earth.
Yes. There was a great king called Canute. So this was
Canute.
Canute. Yes, good. The people, the most every people call
People
him the
called
Lord
him
of the
the
earth.
Lord of the Earth.
Yeah, good. Right. So this is the Lord of the earth, not the universe. Okay, right.
When the king Canute went to the sea, he ordered the water not to wet. Say, not looking.
Not to wet feet. Their feet there, na? Yes,
Feet.
feet.
But the water did not obey him. The king's feet and clothes became wet. The king Canute was not angry. He said to the people, the water does not obey me. Thus I am not the Lord of the earth. Everything on the earth obeys the commands of the God. So God is the Lord and Master of this earth. In this way, all the people started worshipping God.
Good. So every people, actually people feel that king as a god. So he is great guy actually. So he only explaining us. One day he king. So first of all, at that time in this they have given there was a great king Canuta. He is a great king actually. Canute, named Canute, and people called him Lord of the Earth. So the people called. He didn't call himself. So people what they have called? Yes, people called him as a, wait a minute, I will also pin my video and pin. So it's a wonderful story. Yes. So people call him as Lord of the Earth. Lord means God. God also God. The meaning, one more meaning. Next, here one day King Canute went to the sea. So he went to the sea with all these people and he ordered. So if God order means everything will come. God, if God tell anything means it will happens for a reason. Unknowingly it will happens because God's words are that much valuable. So he ordered the water. He ordered the water not to wet feet. Means he told to water, you should not wet my feet. You should not come to my feet. So what happened? But the water did not obey him. The king's feet and cloths became wet. So water came to king's feet and those feet also became wet. King Canute not angry. So still King Canute was not angry. Still he didn't felt angry. He said to the people, the water does not obey me. So he said to all the people who called him as a Lord, the water does not obey me. Thus I am not the Lord of the earth. So he proved that I am not the Lord of the earth. The Lord of the earth, the Lord of the universe is God. God. Everything on the earth obeys the commands of God. So we must pray for our God regularly, daily. So God is the Lord and Master. Is my voice is audible? If yes, show your thumb. Show your thumb. Yes, yes. Okay, I will pin myself. And so this is a wonderful passage actually. Good. Simon with showing his thumbs up, and Pranath standard is concentrating well. It's a miracle actually. Okay, good boys, good girls, intelligent boys and intelligent girls are there in this class. You are becoming day by day, you are improving a lot, children. You don't know that. You don't know that you are becoming intelligent. Okay, right. So, thus, I am not the Lord of the earth. Everything on this earth obeys the command of God. Okay, everything, even plants are growing means they are obeying the commands of the God. Even animals are moving there and here means they are also obeying the. So everything is connected to God with small soul here. Okay, so God is the Lord and master of this earth. So he is the master, he is the Lord as well as master. Why master? He teaches many things, moral values, moral things, moral everything he will teach. Okay, in this way all the people started worshipping God. So all the people stopped telling him as God, telling the King Canute as God, and they are started worshipping God. Okay, good story. Next, have you seen camel? It looks very ugly, but it is very helpful to us in desert. So this is camel. I think you also, I think you have seen the camels in your surroundings, not in your surroundings. Some Jew will open in our grounds. In our city also sometimes the Jews will be opened. Okay, then you might have seen camels, I think. Okay, if you won't also, no problem, you can see in the YouTube also, but you listen. Okay, have you seen a camel? It looks very ugly, but it is very helpful to us in desert. Okay, in desert there is no water, nothing, no food. Okay, but the camels can survive without food also. They will store their food in their stomach. Okay, that's why they can stay in the deserts. Human can't stay in the desert that much easily without food. So that's why they will look ugly. They look ugly, but it is very helpful to us in the desert. A camel can travel in hot desert without food and water for very long distance, but man can't. Any other animals can't, because it can store water in its heap. It can store, this is the wonderful point, you can remember these all valuable points. It can store water in its hump, not heap, hump. It can walk on hard. I will show you the picture also, hump of that. Wait a minute. Hump of the camel. Images will get. So here, this is the hump. Okay, this here, there now, this upper portion, this one. In this, it will store the water and everything. Okay, that's right here. They are showing here in this. First peak, second peak, the ways of storing. Okay, right. So it can store water in its hump. It can walk on hard sand also, but human can't walk. It can walk on hard sand because it's padded feet. So these feet are there not padded. That's why it can walk on the hard sand. It can see in the sandstorms due to its glassy eyelid. So its eyelids are glassy. That's why it can see those harder one. It can see, okay, sandstorms. It can see the storms due to its glassy eyelids. Eyelids are glassy. Okay, next, God has made this wonderful animal. This is also made by God. God has made this wonderful animal. God has also made the beautiful nature around us, the mountains, seas, trees, everything, flowers, all are the God's creation. He made the sun, moon, star. God is the creator of all. He has made all the wonderful things on the earth. So it's such a beautiful story. It was explaining that God has made everything, sun, moon, star. Okay, this parrots, animals, birds, this also, this fishes, everything. So you have access for your children. It's a wonderful story. So it's all about camel. But the Lord explained that Lord ordered, first of all, what he done? He ordered water, not to wet you should not wet my feet. He ordered like that. But water did not obey him. The king's feet and clothes became wet. Wet means if your fingers or any object is appeared for water, means if you keep your finger in throughout water, or if you clean your hands with water, your hands will become wet. Not only wet, the water substance, okay, water substance attached to the objects or anything, okay, that's the wet. So his feet became wet here. Then he proved that, see everything, see here, but water did not obey him. The king's feet and claws became wet. That's he is telling. King God not became angry. If your desires doesn't happen, means if you ask some chocolates or anything for your parents, they won't give, means you will get angry. But you should not get angry. See here, he also didn't get angry. You must be happy always. Okay, you must be happier. Yeah, that's why what happened. So these all things happened. He proved that God is the creator of all these things. So now we'll circle all the things made by God. Speak out. I have unmuted everyone. Sun. Why this word? This was created by human being. Yes, good. Right, good. You can also do in your home. Okay, match the following shows that things made by God. Sun gives heat and light. Trees Yes, good children, intelligent. Okay, one day king went to, where he went, king? Yes, you may call river also, right? But difference between sea and river?
Sea.
My bag is sea here. What is there in my bag? It's a sea or a river. I am also went to the sea. I went to near sea. See, in my bag it's there.
No, sir. No, sir. There was screen.
Yes, it was a filter of Zoom. Okay, right. Good. A camel is very helpful in desert.
Desert.
A camel is called in desert a ship of desert.
Yes. Good. Right. Yes, correct only. Because there is no ships in the desert also. It is only ship. It is only God of rivers. Everything. It is only supporter. It is only called as vehicle of the desert also. Yes, God has made the wonderful animals. How many stars will you get today? How many stars will you get today?
Sir, I'm now ready.
How many
Sir,
stars?
I'm now ready.
Okay, you may tell. Okay, I will give chance to you. How many stars you got today? 3, 4, or 3, or 2, or what? You have to tell 5 star, not 4 star also. 5 star you got. 10 star. You can tell yourself as 10 star. You are 5 star children. Okay? Right. You must appreciate yourself. You must thank for yourself. Then only your self-love improves. Okay? Right. Lakshmi Sami is ready, but time is... Okay, you complete fastly. Which chapter you prepared?
Sir, chapter 3. This is here only.
Okay, this if you repeat this again means they will feel bored. You may tell tomorrow, Sami. Okay, right. Yes, you may tell tomorrow. You prepare well. You prepare extra.
Sir, this one only.
Yes, you prepare tomorrow. This one or you can prepare another also. Your wish. And next,
Okay.
tell.
Be kind, 7th chapter.
7th chapter.
Be kind.
Be kind. Okay. Good. Be kind.
Sir, I'm telling.
Yes, wait. Yes, be kind. Yeah. Right. I will mute everyone.
Sir, sound coming.
Just wait for 30 seconds to load it. Okay.
Sir,
Yes, go ahead.
shall I start?
Yes, start.
Be kind and gentle to you, young and old, and make them happy, manifold. Take care of plants and animals too. God brought them here for love of you. Raju was going to school in a car. On the way, he saw Sarjeet. He asked the driver to stop the car and said to Sarjeet, "Hello, Sarjeet, come in, please." Sarjeet felt very happy. He jumped into the car and the two friends went to the school together. Raju was a good boy. He helped his friends by being kind to him.
Yes, Raju was going to school in
One
the
day,
car.
Meena,
Yes,
Raju
after
was
one
going to
paragraph you can explain, because they will feel difficult if you go on reading some 2 paragraph and explain means. Okay, go ahead. On the way he saw the Sarjeet. Okay, tell in the way of
on the
storytelling.
way he saw his okay sir. On the way he saw his friend Sarjeet. He asked the driver to stop the car and said to Sarjeet, "Hello Sarjeet, come in please." Sarjeet felt very happy. He jumped into the car and the two friends went to the school very happily.
Yes, there is no need of
Raj-
explaining in this. Yes, right. Okay, go ahead. Tell me what your
Raj-
wish.
Raju was a good boy. He helped his friend by being kind to him.
Go ahead fast.
One day, Meena was going to the market. Her mother had sent her to buy some vegetables. On the way, Meena saw a blind man trying to cross the busy road. Meena took the blind man's hand and helped him cross the road. The blind man was very happy and thanked Meena for her kindness.
Tell me.
Sir, shall I? Sir,
Tell.
explain now.
Yes,
Sir,
you may
this
explain.
paragraph explain.
Yes,
Sir,
you
first
may.
one was not true.
Yes, right.
One day, Meena was going to the market because her mother had to send her some vegetables. On the way, Meena saw a blind man trying to cross the busy road. Meena took the blind man's hand and helped him cross the road.
Yes, wonderful
The blind
explanation. Go
man
ahead.
was very happy.
Yes,
and
the blind man felt very happy and thanked Meena. Thank you very much, Meena. Childs, you can also help the poor.
helped
Yes.
the Meena for her kindness.
Yes,
We
that's the
all-
kindness. So
all
you have
got
understood the
children.
character kindness. So I think now you have understood this kindness character. So you have to apply this in the passages also. Kindness means, have you understood? Kindness means helping the poor, helping anyone, okay? With your kind heart, right? You must be kind for everyone, right? Next.
We are all God's children, so we must love and take care of everybody around us. To take care of others means to be kind to them. There are many ways of showing kindness. A happy greeting like good morning, a kind word or sharing of our lunch. We are all God's creatures, so
Yes.
we must take care of all creatures. To take care of others means to kind to them. There are many ways of showing kindness. Is happy greeting like good morning, a kind word or sharing of our lunch or breakfast.
Yes. Good.
Or
Next.
some of the ways to show that we are kind. We should not only be kind to human beings, but also the plants and animals around us.
Yes.
We are also kind to the plants and animals.
Yes, we must be kind to plants and animals. Yes, that's good. Yes, yes. On the way, he saw Sarjit. He is the
His
Sarjit.
friends happy.
Is the friend
He
Sarjit.
saw his
Yes.
friends happy.
Yes. Raju was a
Raju his friend.
good boy.
Yes, sir.
He helped his friend by being kind to him.
Kind
Okay.
to him.
Okay, we'll discuss this again afterwards. Some are waiting now. We have 3 minutes only. We'll read. Go ahead. Okay, right. You mute yourself. Next, who is ready? I will give 2 chances. Okay, again, girls only. Girls, right? Bonus, yes. Unmute yourself.
Sir,
Okay, right. Go ahead. Which chapter you are?
4th chapter, God is everywhere.
God is everywhere. Yes, God is everywhere. So God is everywhere. Yes, go ahead.
4th chapter, God is everywhere. Words of wisdom. God is here, God is there. God is really everywhere. God is in hill, God is in tree. God is really in everything. God is in everything around us.
Yes,
Meenu
good.
and Veenu, best friends. One day, Veenu asked Meenu, do you know where we can find God? Yes, Meenu replied, God is everywhere in this world. At first, there was no world. There was only God. Then God made this world. He made the mountains and the hills. So He is in them. God, He made the sun, stars, and moon. So He is in them. He made the land and the sea. So he is in them. God made animals and birds. So He is in them. God made trees, so He is in them. God made us, so He is in us. There are 2 best friends.
Yes.
One friend said, can you find God? Where you can find God? Other friend replied, God is everywhere in this world. God created this world, so God is in all this world, said other
Yes,
friend.
God made us. God is in everywhere. God is in us also. He is in us. He is everywhere. Yes, good, right. Yes, is there anything to help? Anything to say? He made the sun, stars, everything. If the class completes, you can join again for 10 minutes only. Okay. We'll give one more person chance. Madhulika also raised her hands, and after that we will wind up. Okay, God is everywhere. Yes. He is in the land, sea, everywhere. Yes. So she is explaining. Meena, na, she is very intelligent girl. Explaining to her friend. You can explain it to your sister also. Your sister is sitting beside you. Yes, good, good. You can explain these all chapters to your sister. Yes, right. Go ahead.
Veenu was very happy to know the answer. After some time, Meenu asked Veenu, can you tell me how can God be in big mountains as well as in
From here. Are you okay? You read from here, then you will go from first again. First. So Arunima also came to this class. Madhulika, put on your video. I am very excited to see Arunima also listening to this class. Madhulika? Yes, yes, good, good. See, right, good, right. Yes, go ahead.
Veenu was very happy to know the answer. After some time, Meenu asked Veenu, can you tell me how can God be in big mountains as well as in tiny insects like an ant or a butterfly? Veenu did not know the answer. So Meenu replied, God made mountains, but God is not a mountain. God made rivers, but God is not water. God is present everywhere, but we
cannot see him.
Yes, God made you, God made me. But God is not me. I am not the God. You are not the God. But God is there in you. Yes, that's the insight. Okay, you explain. I'm not. I should not explain. Yes, go ahead. From here. Yes, go ahead.
The
Veenu was
friend
very happy to answer. Yes, Veenu is very happy to know the answer.
seemed to know the answer. After
Yes.
some time, the other friend asked this friend, "Can you tell me how can we guard in big mountains, small insects, and butterfly in like small insects?" This friend did not know the answer.
Yes.
So the other
This friend did not
replied,
know the answer. She is explaining now. This is a Meenu. Meenu is explaining. Yes, right. Veenu did not know the answer. Veenu. Yeah, go ahead.
So other friend replied, "God made mountains, but God is not a mountain. God made rivers, but God is not water. God is present everywhere, but we cannot see him.
Yes,
God
we
is
cannot
present
see the God. Good.
not
Right.
see him."
Yes. So God is everywhere in this world. Okay, we'll discuss this. We'll discuss later. We'll wind up fastly. Yes, good. Explain well. Could you read from again from first? Are you?
Mm.
Yes, go ahead fastly.
God is here, God is there, God is really everywhere, God is in hill, God is in tree, God is really in everything. Meenu and Veenu were best friends. One day, Veenu asked Meenu, "Do you know where we can find God?" "Yes," Meenu replied, "God is everywhere in this world." At first, there was no world, there was only God. Then God made this world. He made mountains and the hills. So He is in them. God. He made sun, stars, and moon. So He is in them. God. He made the land and the sea. So He is in them. God made animals and birds, so He is in them. God made trees, so He is in them. God made us, so He is in us.
Yes, good. This is the Meenu. Meenu explaining well. She is showing very well. This cow also watching. Yes. Yes. Right.
Veenu was very happy to know the answer. After some time, Veenu asked Veenu, can you tell me how can God be in big mountains as well as in tiny insects like an ant or a butterfly?" Veenu did not know the answer. So Veenu replied, "God made mountains, but God is not a mountain. God made rivers, but God is not water. God is present everywhere, but we cannot see him."
Yes, good. So God is still there in the ant also. That's why ants will. Why you didn't anytime you didn't observe why ants go systematically line by line? Why ants can bear the double, not only double, it can bear the 3 times its weight. Okay, it can bear the weight of 3 times its weight. Means if you are 20 kgs means it can bear 60 kgs also. So that's why this ant confidence everything came because of God. This butterfly also from tiny what called tiny insect to it will become butterfly. Tiny insect to from tiny insect it will become one butterfly. Okay, right, explained well. Yes, so we'll discuss these all bits later. This exercise we'll do it later. Now Madhulika is the last person. From tomorrow onwards we are changing. What we have to do? You have to message me in WhatsApp. I will do. I will pick those 6 members. Okay, right. So then what we will do? Only 6 members for 30 minutes. Okay, systematically we will go. We don't pick these all people and again this disturbance. It's very yes, right. Madhuri, unmute yourself.
Sir,
Which chapter you prepared?
I'm 8th chapter. Be
Yes, you
truthful.
prepared 8th chapter. This chapter 8th. Okay, good. Right. So 8th chapter. What is the chapter name?
Be truthful.
Yes, be truthful. It's the most important. It's most moral. Okay, right. Go ahead.
When in wrong, don't fear. God is always there to hear. Speak the truth and don't lie. You will be a brave little child.
Yes, wonderful message, wonderful words these are. When in the wrong means when wrong
If
things
you
happen, you
are
should
wrong,
not fear.
don't fear.
Yes,
God is always here.
always
Speak
there
the
to
truth.
hear. He will
Don't
listen
lie.
your words. Yes, you keep away somewhat away from your face, your mobile or laptop. Okay. Yes, right. Now go ahead.
Neha was a little girl. She is always kind and gentle to everybody. She helped her mother by doing some of the household work. Sometimes Neha went to the market to buy the things her mother needed. One day, Neha went to. Sir, explain now, sir.
Yes, explain. Yes,
Neha
explain.
was a little girl.
Yes, she's a little girl. Go
Neha
ahead.
was a little girl. She always kind and gentle to everybody. She helped her mother by doing some of the household work. Sometimes she do household work.
Yes.
Sometimes Neha went to the market to buy things her mother needed. Sometimes she go to market and buy things her mother needed. One day, Neha went to a nearby shop. Her mother had asked her to get a packet of biscuits. One day, Neha went to a nearby shop and her mother said to get a packet of biscuits. As she entered the shop, Neha saw a beautiful rubber lying on the floor. Once she entered the shop, she saw a beautiful rubber lying on the floor.
Yes.
It
Yeah.
must have fallen down from the counter. It fell down the counter. Neha quietly put the rubber in her pocket, and he kept in her pocket silently. She bought the packet of biscuits and went home. Mother said a packet of biscuit and she went home. She took that and Neha thought she would be very happy to get the beautiful rubber.
Yes, it's a
Happy.
wonderful,
Why?
yes, wonderful paragraph. What she done, she saw the rubber lying on the floor and she took it to her pocket. Yes, she put the rubber into her pocket. While going to the shop, in the shop she stolen that. It's not. It's okay. Go ahead. Right.
Wrong. But Neha was a good girl. She felt sad when she saw the rubber. She was a good girl, but she felt sad. Why? Because she saw the rubber. She was always also afraid that her mother would scold her. She thanked that she afraid her mother to scold
Yes, she
her.
was afraid. She
After
was
thinking
became
for some
afraid
time,
when by her that her mother would scold her because she stolen. Na, that's yes.
After thinking for some time, Neha went to her mother and told her about the rubber. And went to her mother and told about the rubber. She promised her mother that she would. So not looking.
Yes. Yes, she promised her mother that she would.
She promised her that she would never do a such thing again. She promised to her mother that she would not do this like this again. Neha's mother believed her. She gave her the money and asked her go and give it to the shopkeeper.
Yes.
And she gave the money and asked her give it to the shopkeeper again.
Yes, stealing the rubber from the shop is very bad habit. It's very dangerous. They will beat you also sometimes. Yes, yes. Okay, she told again, she realized her mistake. Neha realized her mistake and Neha's mother believed her. She gave the money and asked her to go and give it to the shopkeeper. Why? If rubber 5 rupees. So she gave the 5 rupees and give it to the shopkeeper because she brought the rubber. Na? That's why she gave that money. Yes, good. Right.
When Neha entered the shopkeeper smiled and said, "Come, child, I'm waiting for you." When Neha entered the shopkeeper smiled and said, "Come, child, I was waiting for you."
Yes, he was waiting
Like
for
this
her.
said.
Yes.
I had seen you picking up the rubber. But
Yes, every
knowing
shopkeeper also will see. They will see their whole items. They know what they are doing, what is going on in the shop. They will everyone see. Yes, go ahead. I had seen.
you
Yes.
picking up the rubber, but knowingly that you are a good girl, I know that you would come back to give me the money for it. The shopkeeper know that she was a good girl. She would come back and give the money for it.
Yes, shopkeeper also seen. Shopkeeper had been seen that she is picking the rubber also. But knowingly he didn't told her because he felt that she is a good girl. He felt that she is a good girl. Go ahead.
Neha felt ashamed. She quietly gave the money and left the shop. After she felt ashamed and went quietly, gave the money and left the shop. Honesty is the best way of life. God loves the truth, so always be truthful. Even if you have done some bad deed, never try to hide it. Always be brave and admit your mistake.
Yes, wonderful. Extraordinary message in this. So honesty is the best policy. We must be honest in not only shopkeeper, anywhere. If see, okay, are you completed? Not Madhulika, are you completed? Yes, is there any till? Are you explain? Could you explain this paragraph, or shall I continue?
Sorry,
Are you? Okay, good, right. So this wonderful passage, what they are telling, honesty is the best policy. Honesty is the best way. God loves those only. Yes, truth. See, first, honesty is not only shopkeeping. If Sir is sending you that question paper, I have only told Sir to send the question paper with the answers. Sir is sending you the question paper with answers. If you see those answers, who will be blamed? Who will lose their knowledge? Who will be lost? Sir won't get lost anything. Nothing will happen to Sir. Nothing will happen to me. It happens to you only. Okay, it is lost for you only. You are wasting the time by seeing and writing. Is nothing you will get. Okay, so what you have to do? You have to, first of all, what you have to write the questions. By seeing questions, you have to attempt the answer sheet, question paper from 11:30 to 1:30 seriously, honestly. After completion of exam, you can correct yourself. Okay, write this process. If you want to remember, means you can now you can write in your notebook. What you have to do? First, you have to write from 11:30 to 1:30 seriously on concentrating on only on the question paper. Then what you have to do? After correction of your answer sheet, what you have to do? You have to pick up those wrong going ones. That wrong went questions will be there, wrong went answers will be there. That wrong answers, what you have to do? You have to pick up. You have to write on one more page. And what you have to do? You have to see the answers now. Okay, if you are feeling somewhat difference in question paper, if you get 60 marks also, no problem. But remaining 40 marks, why they have went, you have to see. You have to analyze. You have to write all those 40 questions, 40 answers, wrong answers. You have to analyze why they went wrong with answers. Already answer sheet also given last end of the PDF now. So you have to analyze. You have to read, or you have to see those all answers, solutions, and analyze. If you won't understand also, no problem. If you won't understand the solutions also, you have to go to the main points, concepts. Okay, again you bounce back, go to the Arihant book and learn the concepts. Okay, if the mental ability also somewhat feeling different, means what you have to do? You have to go through Arihant and you can go through the solution. Mental ability passage you can learn from the solutions. But in mathematics, if you feel some difference in analyzing the answers or seeing solutions, directly seeing solutions, if you are unable to analyze, means what you have to do, go through the Arihant solution concepts, okay, and analyze properly. If you do this for till the exam, I am damn sure that everyone will get seat. Okay, you will only get seat. Why? Because in this pandemic situation, no children is preparing for. Most of the children are enjoying. No, most of the children are not preparing for the exam. Okay, you are preparing this. You are. If you won't get seat also, your mind will be opened. Okay, you will become very intelligent boys and girls, intelligent and talented. You will be shined in your classes, shined in your high schools. Okay, next now I think your high schools will be started. I think you are in high schools also, so you will be shined like anything in your class. Wherever you go, you will shine like a sun. So now what you have to do, analyze 60. If you go 50 mistakes also, no problem, but you have to analyze those 50 mistakes. What you have to do, write those 50 answers in your new paper and why they went wrong. All you have to analyze. Okay, mental ability passage you can analyze by seeing the solutions, but mathematics, if you feel some different in concept, you go through Arihant book. Okay, learn concept deeply. Right, good. So, and one more task, you have to write your strengths and weakness. You are not getting up 5 a.m. If you get 5 a.m. also, what you have to do, you revise that maths main points. Get up at 5 a.m. 4:30 also, no problem. Revise all maths main points. Okay, maths main points, and revise all that mental ability concepts. Yes, so these the things. And so we did discuss it now, this honesty. Okay, so the main aim is honesty is the best policy, honesty is the best way of life. God loves the truth. Truth means నిజం చెప్పే వాళ్ళనే God ప్రేమిస్తాడు ఎప్పుడు. ఓకేనా, God will loves only truth people. You have to tell truth, you should not tell lies. If you tell lies means what will happen, see na, నాన్న పులొచ్చింది పిల్లోడు ఎగిరిపోయాడు. Okay, so that's why you must tell truth, and you must blindly follow your parents advice. Okay, parents guidelines. And so always be truthful, even if you have done some bad deeds also. If you've done bad things also, what you have to do, you have to be courage like lion. Okay, you must be courageous to tell those mistakes to your parents. Okay, you must be courageous or brave. Even if you have done some bad deed, never try to hide it. If you try to hide it means it will improve, it will increase that bad things. Okay, if your parents will identify that bad deed means they will not only beat you, they will feel very bad, very sad about you. Okay, if any bad deed also if you done means, you can tell to your parents honestly, courageously, don't fear. If they beat means also, what will happen? Okay, if I get 10 beatings also, nothing will happen to my soul, my mind. Okay, that's why you have to keep your mind that much stronger. Okay, if your parents beat for 10 times also, it is pain for your body, not for your mind, not for your soul. Okay, if your parents beat also, it's not, no problem. What beatings, nothing will get. Okay, but you have to realize your mistakes, realize from those all things. Okay, right. Next, always be brave and admit your mistakes. Okay, always be brave and realize your mistakes. Okay, correctly plan it your children. First 11:30 to 1:30, what you have to do, you have to sit seriously and focus on the question paper. And before 11:30, what you have to do, 2 hours read the passage. Okay, I'm not testing you now. After M. Hamsin is something, you raise your hand. Tell me.
Sir, shall I ask one question to all
Yes.
members?
Good. Ask. Wait a minute. I'm stopping the screen.
Sir, shall I ask one?
Yes, good girl. You may ask any questions to your friends. Yes, if you have any questions also, you go ahead. Yes, start. Ask. In English or Telugu? What happened, M. Hamsin? Ask, right.
Sir, ఒక వేప చెట్టు కింద 5గురు కూర్చుంటారు. ఒక కళ్ళు కనబడ ఆయన, ఒక చేతులు ఒక కాళ్ళు లేని ఆయన, ఇంకొక మాట్లాడని ఆయన, చెవులిని పడిన ఆయన, అన్ని మంచిగా ఉన్న ఆయన. అయితే ఆ చెట్టు మీద నుంచి మామిడికాయ పడుతుంది. ఎవరు ఫస్ట్ తీసుకుంటాడు?
Okay, it's a wonderful question. Even I can't answer. Okay. In Revant raised, okay, I will unmute everyone. You can wait. I will unmute everyone. You can answer. Yes. Tell the answer. Yes. Good question.
Say అన్నున్నవాడు.
And then okay.
అన్నున్నవాడు.
Okay, you everyone try the answer. Try.
Say అన్నున్నవాడు.
Okay, అన్నున్నవాడు అంటున్నారు. ఇంకా Madhulika, you didn't tell the answer. Lion, think like lion. If 1% tell means you should not follow that answer. Okay. Yes, share Savathan Revan fastly. Okay. Bonus 3. Hamsini, you tell the answer.
అన్నున్నవాడు.
Okay, tell the answer.
వేప చెట్టుకి మామిడికాయ పడలేదు కదా సార్.
Very good. Good. So these all become sheeps now, not lions. Okay, but not all. Bonus we didn't answer. That's why. This some Shivasai also I think didn't answer. So very good question. You answered very well, but you didn't told who will catch the fruit. No one will catch it.
వేప చెట్టుకి మామిడికాయ పడలేదు.
Yes, good. This is a wonderful story. Yes, good question you asked. Yes. That's why I didn't try to answer. I didn't concentrate perfectly. Yes. Okay. Is there any more? Is there anyone to ask more questions? Okay, Mamsini, are you ready to ask any more question? Okay, you may ask tomorrow also, daily one question. Okay, good. This will open your mind. They didn't concentrate in this passage also, like this only will go answers, wrong answer. Next, who are ready to ask any question? You get ready. You also try. Everyone in the class, you may ask. Good. Okay, I'm ending this. Yes. Prepare well, children. Before 11:30, what you have to do? 2 hours. Read the passages. Okay. Yes. Right. Good. Right. Bye, children.